Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO K6, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you will most likely need one of these, the SIM ejector, to eject the tray that is located right over here on the left side, upper left side of the device. Now this pin can be found in the box with the device, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, let's pop out the tray. So insert the pin, push it in, and the tray does pop out. Once you take it out, you have space for one SIM card and one SD card, so I'll occupy one of each. There we go. Now I believe alternatively you can use two different SIM cards, so if you plan to use another SIM, you would just kind of place it at the same spot where the SD card goes. Quickly make sure, yep, and there we go, as you can see, like so. But because I'm using one of each, I'll move it aside, and there we go, and occupy the other one with SD. So once the cards are laying flush, you want to make sure that you carefully insert it into the device. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they can just easily pop out. There we go. And obviously the SD card is working automatically, and SIM card is as well, because it's telling me to put a pin for it. So once I confirm the pin, this will unlock the SIM card. There we go, both of them are working just fine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.